Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the new topic immunity in the chapter Human Health and Disease. Let's we know about the immunity. Immunity is the defense mechanism of an organism which create the defense against the foreign particles. Foreign particles is also known as the particles which is outside that is recognized by our body. If a body recognize the other particles, not a non-self particles in the body, so we can call it the foreign particles. Foreign particles mostly have the ability to create the disease, to create the different kind of infection, so immunity has to be developed against it. Immunity are two type on the basis of their origin: innate immunity and acquired immunity. Innate immunity is provided by birth, and acquired immunity are provided after the birth. Any kind of defense mechanism which is developed after the birth, that is called acquired immunity. Acquired immunity are also two type, further divided into two category: active and passive immunity. Active immunity is immunity, such kind of immunity which is developed by our body on their own. But in case of passive immunity is the immunity, yeah, you can say such kind of immunity which is assisted by outer side of any kind of chemicals. Passive immunity, innate immunity are provided by the some barrier. These barriers are physical barriers, physiological barriers, cellular barriers, cytokinin barriers. Physical barriers like a skin is the physical barrier. Physiological barriers is there are certain opening in the body, and the opening, they secrete the fluid. Their specific pH is also the physiological barrier. Cellular barrier, there are some cells help to provide the barrier to develop the defense mechanism that is provided by birth. Cytokinin is the certain cells secrete the chemicals eliminate which help to eliminate the different kind of pathogenic particles. So that is called the cytokinin barriers. Acquired immunity, we already told you about this acquired immunity after the birth, the immunity that is developed after the birth against the pathogenic particles. So we can call it acquired immunity. Acquired immunity after the birth, that is pathogenic specific. That is also the specific for the specific pathogens present only in vertebrates. Acquired immunity have the ability to distinguish many foreign molecules. They have the memory cells. They learn for the past infection, capacity to distinguish self and non-self molecular cells. Acquired immunity are further divided into two categories on the basis of type of cell or type of chemical which is used in the defense mechanism. So first one is antibodies mediated या humoral mediated immunity. Antibodies mediated immunity, the special type of antibodies help to create the defense mechanism in our body. So that is called antibodies mediated immunity. Another is the cell mediated immunity. Cell mediated immunity is the such kind of immunity which is controlled by the special kind of cell like T lymphocyte, like macrophages, monocyte. That is cell mediated immunity. Humoral immunity consists of antibodies in the fluid, body fluid. There are certain fluid which is flow parallel with the blood, that is called lymph. Lymph is the special type of the fluid which provide the defense mechanism in our body. B lymphocytes and T lymphocyte are cell present in such kind of fluid. B lymphocytes produce the antibodies against the in response to antigens. Collectively, these antibodies is called immunoglobulin. There are 5 type of immunoglobulin: immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin D, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin M, or immunoglobulin G. Antibodies has the 4 polypeptide chain held together in the form of Y-shaped. One is 2 arm bind each other, and 2 arm help to bind the antigens, that is called antigen specific site. And after forming the antigens, forming the association between antigens, that is called antigen antibody complex. 2 chains are long, you can say heavy chains, and 2 chains are short, light in molecular weights, you can say light chain. So antibody is referred to H2L2. H2L2 means 2 light heavy chains and 2 light chains. That is the structure of antibody molecules. That is the light chain, that is seen by green color, and that is the heavy chain, that is indicated by the blue color. It is the antibodies binding site where antigens bind to the antibodies. They have the ability to conformational changes in this region, so we can call it variable region of light chain, and you can call it where the antigens bind to the antibodies, so we can call it variable region of the heavy chains. That is the Hing region where cursor is present. Yellow color bonded are indicated by the disulfide bond, and that is the light chain. One terminal is the carboxylic end and another terminal is the amino end. So these indicated by the N terminal and C terminal. Thank you very much.
हटा के थोड़ा सा इन्हें